Okay, Donna, we're here. We are at the factory and we're ready to look at the house, right?
Yep.
So you came all the way from Denver to come here. How did you find us in the first place, actually? So, because that's a pretty far distance away. I mean, I know you're building here, obviously, but how is it that you found us in the first place?
Just an internet search.
The internet, that can do a wonder of good.
Right. Yeah, and looking for modular
Cool.
buildings.
Awesome, awesome. So what do you have any expectations or anything like that about, obviously, that you're going to see a house, but anything that you're excited about particularly or anything like that? No?
I mean,
just excited to see it in general. Yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. It's a pretty cool thing. Let's go inside. So, it's a two-story house, right? So they build it, you know, as modular as. They build it in two different sections, right? So first floor is over there, and then the second floor is over here. Okay? So let's walk through. Let's take a look. So we got this little porch, right? Little sunken porch to protect your Amazon packages, right? So we got our little steps to come in. So here's our stairs to go up, right? So they're just working on that now. Well, actually, you can see this. They got the stairs already done up there, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's there specifically or not, but they put this cleat on there. They'll probably move it back actually a little bit because the stairs need to kind of set not at the correct angle when it's delivered, right? And then so they put that there to be able to hold it in place, but the stairs won't actually be in until the house is being set.
Right.
So walking in through the kitchen to the dining room, we got those back French doors. It's about half of a bathroom size. So we got 3 windows in here. There's a lot of windows in this front, which is great. All the recessed lights are already wired. So they'll prime it and then they'll put the lights in. As you can see, they got to put the cabinets in, obviously, along here. I think cabinets are already here. They just haven't put them in yet. So you can see they got some of the plumbing stuff front up here for that. Is this for the washer dryer here? No. This is the stairs. Yep.
Because I'm like, this is too big.
This is the stairs right here.
Oh yeah, see, it's cut out.
Yep. And then here's your pull-down staircase.
That's not the roof line, right?
Well, yes and no. So this roof, let's see here. Let's see if you can see it from this way here. Okay, so this is the pitch of the roof right here, right? Okay,
Oh,
and then this
is-
tips up, and then you can see this additional section here underneath it that tips.
Yeah,
that'll
comes
hinge
out
up into
as
place
we
as well.
went.
Right, exactly. It's pretty awesome to watch it. Well, that wraps up another walkthrough of the factory with homeowners that are having their homes built. This particular instance was the homeowner being able to walk through their specific house. We love to do this as much as we possibly can. If not your home, then just being able to walk through the factory in general is a pretty great thing. If you haven't seen them already, we have a number of videos of walkthroughs of the factories, either just us or with homeowners in specific through other videos on our YouTube page as well. So please look through those and get a sense for the building process. It's a pretty amazing thing when you take a process that for a site built home is going to be months and months, if not a year, to get to the same process. In a factory setting, it's going to take a few weeks. It's incredible how fast the home can be built. So we love to do this with you. So if you're looking to build and would love to build with us, this is something that we'd love to do with you for your project. So please reach out to us with any questions you have about your building project, maybe about something you saw in this specific video that you have questions about. But reach out with any questions that you have, and we'd love to help you figure out what it looks like to build a new home. Thanks again.